All right, guys, welcome back to another video of mine. So, yes, we're looking at my craft room again. I bought some new things that I wanted to share with you guys. I told you when I buy these, I was going to come back and show you what I did with them. So, I reorganized my craft room just a little bit more. You guys have seen I have took you around here like that. That thing right here where we're getting ready to go over here. I had bought one of these. These were on sale at Michael's right here. Guys, if you don't have one, go get you one. They were on sale for $16. That was a $40 item, actually. So, yes, this I bought and I am so happy about it because it organized all of my little bits and it actually gave me more room. As you guys seen, I have the little drawers down here, but these were, I kind of put this on a slant because it comes with a top and I took the top off of it, slanted it up so they won't fall out. So it'll be like little drawers here. So here you, as you guys can see, you can see through the item, the thing there. That's where all of my keys and charms is at. And they have little rivets that they do fit in. In here, I have my die cuts in here, all of those, my buttons. Let me bring that one out. So I'm working with one hand, as you can see all of my buttons there, like that. And then one more. Like I said, they have these little divots in there. Then I have all of my butterflies in one. So basically, just organized all of my little bits so they wouldn't be all over the place. I had them like stacked into this right here. Right here. Now that gave me more room for other little tiny things, because you guys always know when you're crafting, you have a lot of little tiny things. So I did tell you guys when I buy, that's, you know, you guys seen that already, where my material and books and everything is at. And over here, I bought these two right here from Michael's, just like my other one that's sitting on the other side of my room. So I said, you know what? I was going to get them all white. I said, no, I'm going to bring a little color in here. I'm still working on this area right here. But basically, right in here, this gave me a chance where I can put all of my ribbon, all my ribbon and stuff at here in each of these drawers. You know, show you guys real quick where I got great access to them. Stickers, I'm just going to fill this up with stickers when I buy them. This is basically ephemera, little things that, you know, just stuck. I have two drawers up here, nothing in those, but I do like the coloring. Then up top, I do have those boxes that I took everything out of, and I can see, like I said, they're not all clumped up like usual. Now, the second one, this one I am going to keep for everything that I make, you know, like my pockets here. Open this drawer up. All my pockets will go here. All my tags, I put in this one. Just nothing but tags. So if I want to look for a tag or something to put in a journal, just make them, you know, throw them in there, and the rest of the drawers are empty. So basically everything that I will be making, this whole thing right here, is going to, like, cat. Oh, no, I cannot stand that. He got to be brushed again. But right there, everything that I'm going to make, I have some bling up there a little bit. But everything that I'm going to make, from pockets to, you know, journal spots, anything that goes in journals, now I have somewhere to put all of that. You know, just throw them in, you know, their drawer. I'm going to get some labels and put on there to tell me which is which. And that was a good idea, I think. So I won't have everything all over the place because, like I said, I cannot stand a cluttered room. I just needed spots. Well, what, cubby holes. I call them little, you know, cubby cubby places. You could just put, you know, all your items when you're done with them, kind of hide them around. So that I probably will keep over there. I was thinking about moving it and buying 2 more of these, but I kind of, it's okay with me. I just have to clean that up a little bit, reorganize that again. But basically, this is how it turned out. That is my craft that's over there. And I'm loving it. And then I have my other one sitting right here that I showed you guys in the last video. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the reorganizing of my craft room. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything else. I did show you, yes, I did show you the desk that I have here sitting by my chair right here. Yes, and all of my little boxes I throw down there, you know, for me to make journals out of. But yep, I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys get some kind of ideas. They're not that expensive. That's why basically I bought them. And you can store so much stuff in these guys. So much stuff in these things. So, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep the faith. Stay strong out there. And most of all, stay safe, guys. I cannot stress that enough. Stay safe out there. And I will see you and connect with you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.